So, tanungin natin dito sa mga YouTuber ng mga engineering. Ayan. Auto Engineering Lab. Ito yung what happen if you overfill the engine oil. Okay. Ayan.
Never do this. What happens if your engine oil level is too high? Engine oil is crucial for keeping all the moving parts of an internal combustion engine running smoothly. It reduces friction and helps prevent the engine from overheating. The oil system in an engine operates in a closed loop. However, if the oil level is too high, it can increase the internal oil pressure. This excess pressure can strain seals and gaskets, leading to leaks. But that's not all. When there's too much oil, it can cause the crankshaft to whip the oil into a frothy mixture, allowing it to enter the cylinders. This can lead to oil seeping into the combustion chamber. When oil burns in the combustion chamber, it can foul the spark plugs and cause the engine to burn oil, resulting in a smoky exhaust. It can also damage the catalytic converter and significantly reduce engine performance. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Engineering Lab.
Can record the noise of the Mirage. Its spark is making a high-pitched noise.
Yan.
Ay,
1 liter yan. Teka, sandali lang. Yan, 1 liter yan. Okay.
okay.
Lagyan mo ba naman ng 1 liter? Bago paandarin, ang pag-check ng oil dapat hindi nakaandar na magdamagan bago i-check. Okay. So yan. Hindi na paandar yan. Doon pa lang i-check yung dipstick. Yan. So ibig sabihin yan, yun. Tama-tama. So ang nangyari kasi, pag umaandar yan, syempre may ikakalat niya yung oil niya. Tapos i-check mo yung dipstick. Eh di syempre, konti lang. Akala mo konti lang. Ngayon, ang nangyari, tulad ng ginawa ng kasama ko, kasama namin dito, nagdagdag siya ng 1 liter. O ayan, tinanggal ko. Kaya sumakto na. So yan ang naging problema. Dapat, ang pagtetest, yung hindi nagamit ng halos magdamagan. Yung lang sa i-testing, yung hindi nagamit. Okay. So isang i-share ko sa inyo kung paano tatanggalin naman yung icon. Yan. So pipindutin lang ito. Yan. Yan yung icon ng wrench. Yan. Yan. Tapos matagal mong ipindot. Pag na ganyan. Yan. Pag nag-blink na yan, matagal. Tapos bitawan. I-clear mo. Switch on natin. Sakyan. Yan. Nawala na. So, umandar naman. Naiwan daw kasi itong susi dito sa naka-on lang itong sasakyan. Yan. So, natanggal na natin yung wrench. Okay? So, yun lang ang tip ko ngayon.